this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card with the Plentiful Plants bundle. So here is the Plentiful Plants bundle, and I'm going to show you how to make this fun card with all these different plants and pots and the lovely paper. So this is part of the Bloom Where You're Planted suite, which includes the paper that's on sale right now, the Bloom Where You're Planted Designer Series paper. And it's really fun paper because you can cut out the pots, these pots, and the some of the plants. So some of these plants, like this plant and this plant right here, out of the Designer Series paper. And you've got wood green and you've got bricks. You've got lots of fun different papers. And all the papers except for the specialty papers are on sale. So 15% off during the month of July through August 2nd. So make sure you get your favorite papers and stock up on your favorite papers. So for this card, part of the suite is also these paper lattice pieces. And so they come 10 in a kit. They come like this. And I have cut them in half and then cut off the edges. And I've started this one right here. And I'm going to ink it up, and I'm gonna make it white. Just change the color of it. So you can change it to whatever color you want. And you can get it as white as you want, so you can let it dry and then add another layer of white. So while I'm putting all the plants together, I'm gonna let this dry, and then I'm gonna add another layer of white because I want this to be as white as possible to really contrast with the cinnamon cider. So I'm just gonna get as much ink on there as I can now. And then I'll come back and add another layer. Okay, so we can put that to the side, and I'll put this to the side. And so we will start with, let's see, regular card, 4 1/4 by 11, and we're gonna make this the front. And I've got all my pieces in here this way, so let me pull them all out this way. I'm gonna make that the front. All these strange pieces of things. Maybe that'll get covered, so yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna put my DSP, my brick DSP down. Such a fun Designer Series paper. Got a little ink on my finger. Okay, and then this is on dimensionals. I'm gonna pop that up right in the middle there. And then I've already stamped and cut out all these little pieces. So this plant goes to this pot, and I've cut out this piece, then we're gonna hang that in there, and then this goes with this, and I've stamped the thank you, and this is gonna go in here. So I'm gonna attach these with handy dandy glue dots. Just makes it super easy. Just gonna put a glue dot right on here, then attach that down, and then those will go together. I'll glue that on there in a moment. And then I'm going to attach this with the glue dot right down in there. And then we'll do this one with the glue dot. Then I'm going to do my little glue trick, the sponge and the liquid glue. Just gonna get a little bit of glue on there so I can get some glue on here. And I'm gonna tuck the bottom of this pot in there and then just glue this on like that. And then I've got some white twine here. I'm just gonna tie a little bow. Nice little bow. And use the glue dot right there. Just kind of roll the glue dot a little bit and attach it to the top here. Okay, so that piece is ready to go. These are all ready to go. And this, I'm gonna probably trim about right there. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my extra, just put my hand in the glue, layer of white. Nice and colored in so that it contrasts. Just want it to really contrast and pop off and look different. Okay. So now I've got to clean off my fingers again. Okay. And now, I should have had one ready to go and dried, like the magic of TV, but I am not prepared that way this time. So I'm just going to do Adhere It Wet, which may be a mistake, but I'm gonna put some glue on the back here. And then this is gonna have white on it too, so I think this is the end of this one. And then just stick that on there. Kinda, sorta. What should I stick it on there with? Like scissors? There we go. Okay, awesome. So these two are done. And now I can add my plants. So I'm gonna put some dimensionals on all of these pieces. Let's see, thank you. I'm gonna do one here, like one here. And then I'm gonna get some mini dimensionals. Need a new pack. Need a whole new pack of mini dimensionals. Get 3 pages of them. They're very helpful, I think. Okay. So we'll put this one down on the bottom. And this one right next to it, overlapping it. Yeah, that's what I get for not letting it dry. I'm gonna have white ink all over me. So maybe let yours dry and go do a project and then come back. Because like I already see like a little bit of white right there. But this one's gonna cover it up, so shouldn't worry about it. Okay, so this is gonna go kind of on top of that. Maybe you can raise it a little bit higher. Nice. And then we just have our sentiment. Thank you. Just tuck it under there. And there we go. There is our beautiful Plentiful Plants card. So I am offering a free card kit of different cards than this when you purchase this Plentiful Plants bundle. You can check it out on my website, elainescreations.net, and you'll see the cards. When you purchase the bundle using my current hostess code and email me, you can receive this card kit for free. Sorry, not this one, but the one that I created for this bundle. And just email me and let me know that you've purchased the bundle and you would like the card kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to check out all my other Plentiful Plants bundle videos. They're part of the Bloom Where You're Planted suite. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you next time. Bye.